Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Ayub Mweti, and today I want to take you through on how to model human skeletal organ, that is skin. Objective of this project is, the aim of this project is to help students and teachers, parents, guardians understand how the skin plays role in removing waste product from the body through sweat. Also, we are going to see the importance of the human skin. Other skeletal organs are kidneys, liver, lungs, and the skin being the largest skeletal organ in the human body. Found on the surface of the body. Skin is found on the surface of the body. It protects the inner tissues or organs. In this video, I have prepared for you the following: materials needed, short notes or the summary notes, procedure when modeling the human skin, format of the journal, and finally I have prepared for you how to present before the class. After making this model, you should know how to present it before the class or in front of the class. Kindly follow to the end and learn with us. You are much welcome. Let's start with the materials needed. What are the materials we need to model human skin? 1. We need a carding board. 2. Colored clay for making skin layers. 3. Sponge or cotton wool to make sweating glands. 4. Straws, thin tubes for sweating ducts. 5. We need scissors or glue. 6. Labels or marks. Why labels? To label the skin parts. Let me give you short notes. Before we proceed, let me give you short notes. First of all, ask yourself, what is an skeletal organ? An skeletal organ is used to remove waste product from the body. These are organs that are used to remove waste product from the body. Now, what are the three main organs in our body? We have, the main organs in our body, we have kidneys, lungs, skin, and the liver. Those are the three main organs in our body. So remember, I'm now giving you short notes because one day you will be required to make short notes. So these are the short notes I'm giving out. Then, what does the skin do? The skin is the largest organ in the body. It helps to excrete waste like salt, excess water through sweat. I repeat, it helps to excrete waste product like salt, excess water through sweat. Sweat comes out of the sweating glands. Sweat comes out of the sweating glands in the skin. In short, sweat is manufactured in the sweating gland. Then sweaty pores allow sweat to come out of the body or from the skin. The importance of the sweat. Sweating helps to cool the body and remove extra salt and water. Don't forget that sweat again acts as a coolant, cooling our body during hot season or during a hot period. Procedure. Let me take you through on how to make an interesting model of a human skin. Procedure. 1. Base layer, use candy bond. Use candy bond as the base layer. Number 2, use clay to show skin layers as shown. Start with adipose or subcutaneous layer. Start with the adipose or subcutaneous layer, being the yellowish or the yellow parts. Yellowish shows the color of fat that is found underneath our skin or beneath the skin. Allow each member of your group to give their ideas during the project. Don't be a self-centered learner. Allow some members of your group to give ideas during this project. Don't be self-centered. Usiwe mchoyo. Pea wengine nafasi pia watengeneze hiyo clay, na wewe pia kazi yako ni kupaste ama kushikanisha pale kwenye candy bond. So let's some of your members contribute towards this project. 3 main layers. So in your project or in your skin that you are modeling, make sure all these 3 layers are there, are present and visible. Let me see epidermis. There should be dermis and the subcutaneous layer. So these are the 3 layers that should be visible in your model. Subcutaneous layer should be yellowish somehow. Dermis reddish because nyama ni red. Then epidermis should be brown to represent the skin color. Have you understood? Yellowish for subcutaneous layer, the layer that is inside deep. Then kuna dermis, the second inside layer, reddish to represent the tissues. Then kuna epidermis, the external layer, to represent the skin color, should be brown. Fix these parts in the skin as shown. In your skin, let me see hair. Let me see ducts to allow waste product to come out. Let me see sweating gland, the origin of the sweat, where the sweat comes from. Blood capillaries should also be visible in your model. Don't forget to show this one. Don't forget to show the hair, duct, sweating gland, blood capillaries. Then on top of your manila paper or the candy bond, make sure you have the title. The title is Model of Human Excretory Organ, into bracket skin, modeling human skin. So that's the title, Model of Human Excretory Organ, into bracket skin. Good. Now, what is the format of njano? Njano inafaa iwe aje? How should njano looks like? 1, there should be a title. Title is Modeling Human Excretory Organ, into bracket skin. There should be an aim. What is the aim of this project? The aim is to learn how skin helps in removing waste products, that is sweat. To learn how skin helps in removing what? Sweat. 3, this should be also be included. So follow this video. So this should be included in the journal. Journal is a small book that is used to record daily activities. For number 3, what they did, what are your members doing, I brought straws and cotton wool. KK brought modeling clay. Joy brought straws or brought the clay and etc. Who brought the manila paper? Who brought the... So for Njano, this is an individual work. Each member of your group should have a Njano. If you don't have a Njano, follow the next video how to make a Njano using local available materials. How to use Njano using local available materials. Follow the next video uone tunavyoweza kutengeneza njano. Ikiwa huna pesa za kwenda kununua njano mpya from the supermarket or from the shop, kindly see how you can make your own personal njano. Sweat removes excess water and salt. Sweating glands are located in the dermis. Challenges. What are the challenges you faced in the group? For me, I found this as a challenge. Sticking the straws and the sweating glands was somehow tricky to our group. Some of our members were not able to stick or to fix them inside the dermis. Then number 7, conclusion should be shown in your journal. Conclusion: the project helped me understand. So this should be an individual. Remember, each member should have a journal with him or with her. So you should have a conclusion. What did you learn from the project? You should learn something. The project helped me understand how the skin works to keep our body clean and cool. Do you know? Clean meaning removing waste product from the skin or from the body. Then cool, the sweat cooling the skin during hot period or hot time. Presentation. To present your work. In a presentation, you should start with the greetings. How to present? How to present your work before the class. 1. Start with the greetings. For example, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my colleagues. It all depends at what time you are presenting. Don't include all of them in the presentation. Don't start in front of the class and greet them using all 3 greetings as good morning, good evening, good afternoon. And remember, for me, I'm just guiding you on how to present your work before the class. You should start with the greetings. It all depends at what time you are presenting this work. My model is about human excretory organs. So we are now proceeding after greetings. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my colleagues. Then they will respond. Then after response, then you continue. You say, my model is about human excretory organ, that is the skin. Or my presentation is about human excretory organ, that is the skin. The skin removes waste through sweat. Who can tell us the 3 or the components in the sweat? Who can tell us the components found in the sweat? This is a question for arousing their minds. Then hear their responses. And the response that you hear you should hear these responses: urea, excess water, excess salt, and etc. You should hear those responses from the learners. Then say something. Sweating glands produces sweat. True or false? Which part of the skin produces sweat? Is it the sweating gland or sweating duct? Ask them that question. So the answer should be sweating gland. Sweating gland produces sweat. Yes. Then yes. Say like this. Yes. Clap for him or clap for her. Clamp, clamp, clamp. Sweating gland produces sweat, which then travels through the ducts to the skin surface. To the skin surface. Now, show your model. Now, open the model. Show them your model. Ask them to name the parts they can see. Which part do you see? Ask them to name parts they can see on your model. End like this. After doing all this, then end your presentation like this. With that few remarks, thank you for your time and listening. I wish you the very best in your studies. Bye. This is now how you can present your work in front of your colleagues. My dear followers, this is how you could make an interesting model about human excretory organ, that is skin. Next video will be the lifestyles to promote a healthy skin. Thank you for your time. Thank you for following. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for listening. Bye. See you in the next video. My name is Teacher Ayub Muichi. My number is 07 17 028 334. In case you have something to throw into my M-Pesa, I will be so much grateful. Don't forget that when you share this video, when you like it, when you comment, this gives me energy and the power to continue doing this great work to help our colleagues, our generation, to continue learning from online. Have a nice time as you prepare to watch my next video. Bye.